Can we give it up one time for the curls? Yes, come through. Hey Foxx Squad, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Robbie. I post videos of everything home, decor, and DIY. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing my mini shopping haul. When I say mini, it's mini. I may have picked up 4 or 5 items. So the first items that I picked up are from Target, and I picked up 2 of these Project 62 lamps to go in my guest bedroom. I did a makeover of my guest bedroom maybe 2 videos back, and the lamps that I added to that bedroom were too large for scale, so I found these smaller ones that also have the brass with the marble base. So yeah, I picked up 2 of these cute little lamps. I think they were $39.99 a piece. And then from Target, I also picked up a few vases. The first vase that I picked up is this threshold vase. It's a brass vase. I think it is 12 inches high, and I paid $25 for this one. And then I also picked up a round brass vase, and this one was $20. It's also a threshold vase. I'm going to be adding these to my living room, and probably one to my dining room. I haven't decided which one I'm going to add to which room yet, so stay tuned for videos to show that. And I think that's all I picked up from Target. Yeah, that's everything from Target. I also went to HomeGoods, and from HomeGoods I only picked up one item. I picked up this sculpture from HomeGoods. Isn't that pretty? I think I want to be adding this to my family room because I'm starting to incorporate more black and white into my family room, and I think this will be a pretty addition. I think I paid $16.99 for this. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it white or if I'm going to spray paint it black, but we'll see. We'll see how it looks white. I notice now that it has a few like little dirt spots on it or something on it that I really don't like. So I'll try to wipe that off, and hopefully it'll come off, and if not, then there'll definitely be spray painted black. From Ross, I picked up 3 of these mirrors. They were $19.99 a piece. I'm going to be using these to redecorate my master bathroom, so stay tuned for future videos on that. So I can't wait to see how the items in my haul are going to look with my current decor. So make sure you stay tuned for that as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the cleaning portion of this video. I hung these teal panels, but I said that I was going to leave them up for a while to see if they grew on me because I wasn't really sure I liked them or not. And they've been up for about a week now, and I definitely do not like them. So yeah, I'm going to take these down and put my other panels back up. If you have any suggestions on where I can purchase a nice set of panels that are kind of thick and black out and that are long, maybe 85 to 95 inches long, go ahead and leave me a comment down below, and then I will check them out. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take these down, put my other panels back up, and continue cleaning up my room and my house.